So this is the creative kit for October. It's called A Christmas Dream. Let me show you what you're getting inside. Okay, in your kit, you're going to get some of the new flowers, which is the holly, the creative cuts, some of these sweet little lace flowers, our brand new 1mm foam dots. You're going to love these. The new mark making stencil, a packet of our rub-ons. You are going to get some of these gorgeous little stickers, the cut apart sheet, and the collection pack. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love this Christmas Dream as much as I do. I hope your October is amazing, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.